And they're off. Early Lead is taken by Dolbelia. And by the rail, it's Miss Elliot. Lim Expensive Toys on the outside. Prapo Bell, Zeras, and Perry Quinn. And nearing the far turn, Miss Elliot in the lead by training up lengths Dolbelia. And on the outside, Lim Expensive Toys, Zeras, Prapo Bell, and Perry Quinn. But it's still Miss Elliot leading the field by 4.5 lengths, followed by Dolbelia in second. On the outside, Lim Expensive Toys, Zeras by the rail, Prapo Bell and Perry Quinn. Rounding the far turn, it's still Miss Elliot by 4.5 lengths, followed by Dolbelia. And moving up by the rail is Zeras. On the farther outside is Lim Expensive Toys. And into the home stretch, it is still entry number 1, and that is Miss Elliot in the lead, Zeras by the rail, Dolbelia. On the farther outside, Lim Expensive Toys, Prapo Bell, and Perry Quinn. It's Miss Elliot, Dolbelia moving up on the outside, and Zeras by the rail, Lim Expensive Toys on the farther outside. The lead is taken over now by Dolbelia. And finally, it's a cinch for Dolbelia. Close finish between entries number 4, Zeras, Miss Elliot, and Lim Expensive Toys.